Now, very importantly, we'll be going on to look at another. It's like a health facility that attends to a particular office or a company. Do you understand? So they call that what the occupational health service. So this one's the healthcare workers there, they are trained, and this is in relation to what the particular set of workers they will be what attending to. So you have in-depth knowledge to what those workers do. You also have in-depth knowledge to all the possible issues they can suffer from. So you as a healthcare service now, you always attend to them. So first of all, you should know that what occupational health services are primary preventive and what advisory systems. They are designed to protect the worker's health. So you can advise the worker to be able to what avoid a hazard before it occurs. You can also attend to a worker after the hazard has occurred. Okay. So the main function of occupational health services is what you want to prevent occupational hazard. So you want to evaluate their workplace and see if there's any risks of them having any issues. It could be from chemicals, it could be from physical issues, it could be from the machines they use, it could be psychosocial, like they're getting stressed out of work. Then you also develop strategies to be able to reduce the hazards they could actually encounter. Then health surveillance, you conduct regular medical examination and screenings. You monitor workers exposed to hazardous substances or conditions. You dictate early signs of occupational diseases. Then for treatment and rehabilitation, you provide first aid and medical care, for workplace injuries. You support rehabilitation, you support the reintegration of injured workers. So if a worker has been injured before, then you can actually, come up, and handle the person's issue and also reintegrate the person's issue. Advisory role, you advise employers and employees on workplace safety and health policies. You recommend how they can be able to handle machines in a much more proper way, okay, and also safe work practices. So you promote their health and well-being, where you organize all those health talks and awareness campaign. You enlighten them on issues like nutrition, exercise, stress, okay, how to also handle machines at work, how to prevent issues at work. The legal and regulatory compliances, you ensure compliance with occupational safety and health laws. You maintain records of workplace accidents, illnesses, and also exposures.